So I'm in the barn and I have one dog just here quiet, and we have another dog that's alerting. So obviously it's not a huge threat because one dog is chill, one dog is alerting. What's she alerting to? What is it, girl? What is it? Let me see. What is it? It's a bird of prey in the tree just above the barnyard, where the chickens and the very small goats go. Good girl, sister. So you see she kind of pushing the chickens to the barn. So I've been at the barn for over an hour now. Cleaned out a couple stalls. Been hanging out with the animals. And you'll notice the bird of prey is still in the big tree. And the chickens are running around free. Now, the dogs, they're not barking. You know? They've recognized the bird, communicated with the bird. You see where Gunny's laying though? He likes this concrete. I like to keep some floors. No, but Gunny is laying where he can see right out there. And I don't know how they know, but if that bird as much as thinks about coming down, those dogs will be outside so fast. It's pretty amazing. I've seen the dogs literally be eating in the stall yummy food, and they will stop what they are eating and run outside and around the corner, and you wonder how they even know that bird just landed in the tree over there, or that there was something out there. So they don't find them a threat. It looks pretty wet anyway. We got a lot of rain last night.